slightly higher this morning here. For those of you that read all the notes that I sent out yesterday, quite a different scenario coming into this week than coming into last Tuesday after the long weekend. Okay, still, in my opinion, just as many, risk headlines, risk concerns out there, but, the market loves what's going on here, so we'll trade accordingly. All right, let's see where we open up here. We got 20 seconds left. Hopefully your favorite football team did well yesterday, unlike our Bears last Thursday night. All right, there is the opening bell.